Good day, everyone. Welcome to Chem Classroom with Auntie Saiwo. So today we're discussing about nitrogen. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Tell your friends that Auntie Saiwo is teaching on YouTube Chem Classroom. So today we'll be going to nitrogen. We have discussed about oxygen. We have discussed about water. So today we'll be going to what? Nitrogen. Now, nitrogen is one of the non-metals on the periodic table. It has an atomic number of what? 7. Okay, so we have atomic number of 7. Then atomic mass of 14. Okay, so if I'm to break nitrogen into shell, in writing the electronic configuration, I'm going to have 2, 5. So it means it needs 3 electrons to complete the octet structure. And that means nitrogen is in what? Group 5, period 2. Yeah. Then I can also write the SPDF notation. The SPDF notation, I have 1s2, 2s2, then 2p3. Yes. Okay. Now, nitrogen can occur in the atmosphere. In fact, it contains about, I think, 78% of the atmosphere. It can occur freely in the atmosphere, and you can also find it in combined state in nitrates, in plant and animal protein, and all that. Okay, so then we'll also be we'll be discussing about the preparation of nitrogen. Nitrogen can be prepared through the fractional distillation of liquefied air industrially. Then we can also prepare it in the laboratory using our copper oxide and ammonia, then using the ammonium of diazonitrate 3. Yes, so I will show us how the two reactions occur. So using the copper oxide and ammonia, so plus ammonia is NH3. So we have copper plus what? We will have H2O. Then we'll have the nitrogen gas being given off. So let's see how we can balance this equation. Okay, so I'll put 3 here, 2 here, 3 here, then I think I'll also put 3 here. So if we do our atom count, we'll see that the equation is already balanced. Yes. Then going to the preparation using the ammonium diazonitrate 3, we have to first produce the ammonium diazonitrate 3 using the sodium nitrate and the ammonium chloride, because the ammonium diazonitrate 3 is unstable. So we have the NaNO2 plus what? The sodium of the ammonium chloride. So it will first give us the ammonium diazonitrate 3 plus NaCl. So this will now decompose, and the decomposition should be done with care because the reaction is very rapid. It can explode. Okay, so we now have our nitrogen plus what? H2O. Okay, so we can see how our nitrogen is being produced. Okay, now going to the physical properties of our nitrogen. Is a colorless, odorless gas, and it is slightly soluble in water, is neutral to litmus paper, is less dense than air. Now we'll be going to the chemical properties, and you know when it has to do with chemical properties, we're doing chemical reaction. So the first chemical property is the reaction of nitrogen with hydrogen to form ammonia through the Haber process. So this is it. We have nitrogen plus hydrogen here to form ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. So we'll find a way to balance 3 here, 2 here. Okay, that's being done. Then we also have the reaction of nitrogen with oxygen. Yes, nitrogen plus O2 to give us the nitrogen 2 oxide. Okay, then we also have the reaction of our nitrogen with what metals to form nitrites. So I'll be using magnesium plus, and the nitrogen is also diatomic, so we are going to have N2. Okay, so let's balance. Yeah, I think it's balanced. Okay, then what are the uses of nitrogen? Yes, nitrogen can be used for food preservation in packaged food products. It can be used for the production of ammonia. Of course, we have seen that. It can be used for fertilizers. Then it can also be used in electric boards. Then the liquid nitrogen can also be used for refrigeration. Okay, so your assignment I are going to drop in the comment section is give me the explanation of the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen is a very important one for us. Okay, so please go through what we have learned today. We have been able to tell us the atomic number and the atomic mass of nitrogen, the preparation of nitrogen using copper 2 oxide and ammonia, and the ammonium diazonitrate 3 decomposing to give us nitrogen. Then we also have the physical properties and the chemical properties and the uses of nitrogen. Okay, see you some other time. Thank you.